Welcome back to BBB Sharing. I'm Evie, Director of Ignite, sparked by BBB. And with me today, I have Milton from Waller Tire.
How you doing, everybody? How you doing, Evie?
I'm doing well. Thank you for coming in today. I know it's been one of those weeks, at least I feel like, after Easter and everything like that, you're kind of trying to get back into the flow of things. I got over Lent, and so I'm now able to eat meat again. Yeah, so I'm a brand new person.
That's
super
right.
chipper, super happy, very bubbly again.
Yes,
Especially so early in the morning. And thank you for coming in so early in the morning to talk to us because we love getting to know you guys. It's so important that you come in and talk to us about what you do. So Milton, tell me what you do.
Perfect. I work for a family business, Waller Tire. We've been around here in the Tri-Cities for about 43 years now. It's about 10 of us, but it's a family-owned business. Our main focus is selling good service. We're not about selling tires or pushing a tire on you. If you come in and say, oh, I need a new tire on the left side. If you don't need a tire, I'm not putting a tire on. I don't care what you say. If it can be fixed, I'm going to fix it. So we're more about honesty, integrity, and just being friendly. Because we treat you as if we want to be treated. You call me at 4:30, say, hey, I'm on my way, I'm running late. I'll stay 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just make sure you be there on time. But yeah, we're just a small family-owned business that love to help the Tri-Cities.
I love that. And there are so many words that you use that are like our golden words, right? So honesty, trust, integrity is a big one, transparency. So that, in addition to really the generational aspect of your business, is why people go to BBB and look at accredited businesses.
Yeah, because, where we are, we're so small and so local, we don't even advertise. It's about word of mouth. People say, oh, go to Waller, go to Waller, go to Waller. It's just more word of mouth because we're not gonna cheat you. I'm not out here everybody wants to be a billionaire, but it's enough for everybody. We're just out here to live comfortable and treat you well. That's all it's about.
I love that. I'm a small town girl. My dad owns a local business in a small town, so I love seeing the locals in there. And shop local. They appreciate it. They know that they can trust you, and that word of mouth means a lot to them.
Yeah, because, that's how I do restaurants. I go by word of mouth. It's all about your service, too.
Right.
You can come to us. We're going to get you out in there in 5 to 10 minutes. We're not the cheapest, but we're the fastest because people have places to go.
And at least people aren't going to get cheated out of getting a tire they don't actually need.
Correct. I hate that. I always tell people, when you come to us, just tell us the problem. Don't tell me the solution.
Right.
Tell me your problem, and I'll figure out the solution.
I love that. When I first moved to Richmond, I went to VCU. I had a problem with my tire. I was living at my grandma's house.
Okay.
So who do I call? I didn't know about BBB at like 18 years old. So I called my dad. And I was like, I don't know who to go get my tire checked out at because I don't trust anyone like I trusted my dad's opinion on things. So when I started here, I was like, oh my gosh, BBB.org is like calling dad.
Yeah, it's like you got the reviews, you got your BBB. I always go by the reviews. If the reviews are good, they got good stars, I'm going to trust it. So yeah, BBB is the same way. I see that and I see the A+. I'm like, oh yeah, I can trust them. I see all trucks and everything.
Feels good knowing that you're... So tell me about working with family. What's that like for you?
Oh, man. It's just like any other thing. You have your ups and downs. Some days we're best of friends, and the next day it's, man, leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. But it's great because it's also a lot of nonverbal communication.
Yeah.
So I don't have to talk because I know what my cousin's doing. I know what my sister's doing. They just do it, and then it's just a lot of nonverbal because we all get each other. We're just all here to get the job done. But don't get me wrong. It's those days that you have, like, oh, is he coming to work today? But I love it. I love working with family because, we're a family business. You can tell the love when you come there. They be like, you look like him. You look like him. Yeah, we're all family. So, yeah.
I love that. It is. You're right. It's a different dynamic when you work with family. Everyone has their system and their flow. Right. There's this ease with getting stuff done that normally isn't like that. Like I notice it in the office here. Everyone's trying to like catch up and talk to each other. And I'm like, I got work to do.
Yeah, I can't talk today. But yeah, here at our family business, it's cool because everybody has their role. So it's nobody stepping on their person. So it's like, oh, I'm this, I'm that. Nah, we're all here together. We're just trying to get it done.
I love that. Even though watching my mom, my brother, and my sister and my dad fight in the restaurant, oh my gosh. I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, thank God I went the 9 to 5 route.
I feel you.
You
But
know?
no, I love it. Because it's very fast paced. Like when I get back today, we might have 10, 12 cars out there. And it's just the adrenaline, like, oh, we got to get them out here in like the next hour. So it's fun. I actually enjoy it.
It's nice working with family. There's a comfortability that comes with knowing that you guys are
Right.
running a business that is a reaching up to that ethical standard, and people appreciate it. And better yet, it's family run.
Yes, and I also feel that we take pride in it because
Yeah.
all of our name is on this product. Because you go out here, where did you get that done, Waller? So when people see my name, they
Right.
associate to it. So we take pride in our work. So that's another part of it. So
It's sad to say, but it's very true that a regular employee is not going to care about
don't
your
care.
business the way you do.
yeah, they don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got some, but there's
It's not the
everywhere.
same.
Yeah,
It's not the same.
yeah, I really enjoy it though.
So you grew up in Chester?
Yes, I grew up in Chester, right around the Pops. We call them Pops. Our granddad started it.
Oh, cool.
It was like 5 minutes away. That's all we know is tires. Since I was a little running around kicking tires kicking me. So,
Nothing wrong with that.
tire man.
I know. I always catch myself looking at like sugar packets and stuff like that in restaurants.
restaurants?
Yeah, I'm like, ugh, can't take the girl out of the restaurant.
I do the same. I'm walking in a place. I'm like, oh, they need tires. Girlfriend like, just stop. You always looking at tires. I can't help it. I love it.
It's a habit.
Yeah.
It's a trick of the trade. So tell me, how can people get in contact with you?
Oh, easy. We have a brand new website. I'm actually excited about our website. It's a brand new one, WallerTirePlace.com. And it's actually pretty cool. If you don't know your tire size, you can go on our website, put in your make, model, and they'll give you your tire size. We actually have our pricing on there because we're fair and honest. We don't have our pricing. We don't do the buy 3, get 1 free. We just give you the bottom line best price we have.
Nice.
Instagram and Facebook, Waller Tire Place, same on both. We post every day. I need to get better on that, but you can find us on social. You call us actually after hours. If you call us, it goes to our cell phones.
Oh,
That's how much we care about our customers.
wow.
We also have 24-hour road service. My cousin actually does that, so you can find us on all social platforms, our website, and if you can't find us, just call the business. Come to my cell phone.
I love that. And you know what? You guys can find them on bbb.org too, and they have a business profile page. Whether you know it or not, you have one.
I know now.
Yeah. And so that'll be something that the team will talk to you about, but it's really cool because people can find you there too, and it's all your information there. It takes them straight to your website.
Awesome.
All right, so people, if you are watching on our YouTube channel, BBB Central VA, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. It really helps us out. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post. And if you're listening on Spotify, BBB Sharing, please make sure to follow us and give us a share. Thank you.
Thank you.